Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
A rainbow spiral, but per Daddy's request, do purple on the inside going out to the pink.
Oh, so a rainbow ring spiral, but instead of doing it with the pink in the middle, we're gonna do it with the purple in the middle. This is something I wanted to see, and we had quite a few requests for. This is a large shirt, so I might even just keep it. We haven't kept one in a while, so
Yeah.
we've been selling most of them, so might choose to keep this one. We'll see.
And we're always listing stuff and remaking stuff.
Yep.
So always check back frequently.
We'll make anything for anybody as well, so if you have any ideas or would like something we've done in the past, just let us know. We'll do our best to try to recreate it. To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack.
Get our basket of color.
Thank you, Daddy. Can you get my tub too? It's under the table.
Oh. Gotta have our drip tray. Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, wait. I thought this was the rings.
Oh yeah. I forgot. What do I do?
Start doing rings.
Okay.
So we're gonna do a little purple in the middle. Some glacier. A little bit of lime pop. A little bit of yellow, some citrus yellow. Don't worry about it.
I think I can get it though.
No, we're gonna do lines of color in every color coming off of it, like that.
Alright.
And some orange sorbet. Orange sorbet. Look at that. And then finally, hot pink. So on this one, we have lavender, glacier blue, lime pop, citrus yellow, orange sorbet, and hot pink. What a combo. Oh, that scared me. Literally the exact opposite of the one we did before. We were planning on just doing a straight inverse, but we had a little oopsie, so it looks like this one's gonna become a little bit different, but I think it's gonna look cool nonetheless. This is the beauty of tie-dye, and you gotta roll with the punches. You never know what you're gonna end up with. It's like a box of chocolates. Make sure and get right there too. That beauty. Okay, now what I would do is I would take every color and just go, yeah, just, you know what I mean? Don't you think?
This is up to you, Daddy. This is your design. You just tell me what.
Well, what do you
do.
think it's gonna look like when we wash it out? It's gonna have a stripe on it, don't you think?
I think I can get it to where it's at least manageable.
Oh, well, if that's the case, then we might ride with it. Let's see what we end up with. It looks pretty well dyed, though. I wonder what you were doing.
I was trying to just save it and do something else, and we could have just done this for another one. But you said go ahead and do it,
Yeah,
so
well,
I didn't know what you wanted to do.
Never mind.
I don't think that's that bad, really.
Okay.
I mean, we can
Well-
always keep it if you don't like it that much.
Time for the flip.
Okay.
More lavender for the middle. And then some glacier. A little bit of lime pop. Ooh, that lime pop pops.
Need some more glacier. That got
A
rid
little
of all.
more glacier, yeah.
Got rid of all of it.
I definitely want a good amount of glacier. I love the glacier. Lemon yellow.
No, this is citrus.
Citrus yellow, sorry. Orange sorbet. Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
The wind got me.
And then do a little bit of sorbet erasing. Polish it off with the good old hot pink. I think you got that good. Beautimous. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow. I think that's gonna look great.
If worse comes to worse, I'll keep it.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be fine. You
I
can
don't think
barely
it's that
tell.
bad.
To the drying rack?
Good trying.
Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.